Hello, welcome to Hot in the Kitchen with me, Romeo. On this episode, I will show you how I make a very berry goodie. My ingredients include blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, 1/2 cup old-fashioned oats, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon almond flour, and 1 1/2 cups almond vanilla milk. Into a pot, add the oats, brown sugar, almond flour, chia seeds, honey, and milk. Turn on the heat and mix. Stir frequently until it starts to boil. Once it starts to boil, set the heat to medium and stir frequently until the oats are well cooked and the chia seeds swell up. It usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes of cooking, and if the berries are frozen, this is when I add them. And ta-da! A very berry goodie, a silky honey brown sugar sweetened treat laden with massive amounts of nutrients, vitamins A, B12, C, D, E, K, fibers, and antioxidants. It is excellent as a hearty breakfast or an in between meal snack. I hope I excite you to try this easy recipe. Do let me know if you like it too. By the way, I appreciate comments, questions, or suggestions. Of course, I'd be thrilled if you would become a treasured subscriber of mine. Just click on subscribe and you will then be automatically notified of new recipes. Thank you.